Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any cable or case and powering the unit off. This prevents accidental inputs. Once done, hold the ear cups so the headband is horizontal and locate the small hinge release tabs near each joint. Press and hold one tab while supporting the headband with your other hand. You will feel the hinge loosen. Make sure to apply steady pressure. Quick jerks can strain the mechanism. This first motion unlocks the folding axis and prepares the cups to rotate inward smoothly. With hinges unlocked, rotate each ear cup inward toward the headband center, aiming for a clean 90-degree turn. You should guide the hinge with your thumb and index finger. Do not force a stiff movement. If you meet resistance, stop and recheck the tab. As the cup approaches folded position, you'll hear or feel a small alignment click. That confirms proper seating. Make sure the ear cushions remain clear of any pins or gaps as they tuck in, since misalignment creates pressure points and long-term wear. Once both cups are rotated inward, align and snap them into the designated notch or magnetic hold so they stay folded. You'll want a tactile confirmation. Then inspect the hinges, cushions, and control surfaces for any misalignment or pinched material. Make sure buttons aren't depressed. If the mechanism feels stuck, reverse the process slowly and re-engage the release tabs. If needed, apply a tiny amount of silicone-based lubricant to the hinge pivot. Avoid oil or excess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.